Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I got this really cute perm rod set on my hair. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited because this is my second time doing them and it turned out really good this time. So I'm just going to get right into the video and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so I'm going to start out with using my Shea Moisture Make It Last curl primer, and then I'm going to go in with my texture foam from The Dew and put that in my section of hair, and then I'm going to thoroughly detangle the section that I'm going to wrap around my perm rod, and then I'm going to start at the root when I wrap my hair around my perm rod and just wrap it all the way down to the end. And when I get to the end, I like to smooth it out just to make sure the hair is nice and smooth and hugging the perm rod nice and tight before I lock it in place. Alright, so I did end up sitting under my dryer for a little bit, maybe like an hour or so. And I was going to take them out, but I was like, I want to be safe and make sure my hair is like for real dry. So I ended up sleeping in them, which wasn't that bad. It was pretty decent actually compared to sleeping in flexi rods. So my hair is completely dry right now. It should be. I highly doubt that it's not. So I'm going to go on and take down my hair and see what it's looking like. So when you take these down, you want to be gentle so you don't mess up your curl. Like, don't rush when taking them down so your curl can still be intact. Wow. Look at this. All right, so I'm just gonna get a little bit of oil. You can use whatever oil you want. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands and my fingertips. And now I'm gonna separate my curls. Separate and just like pull it apart. So I'm just gonna grab a curl, separate a piece, and then sort of just twirl it. All right, so this is what I am working with, and it's cute. It's a little more effortless. I don't think I'm going to like pick it out. I think I have enough volume, and I know to get more volume, all I have to do is like separate my curls a little more. But I think this is good. So I'm just gonna like, I guess, mold my hair how I like it. Oh, this is cute. All right, you guys, so I'm done. I think I'm just gonna rock my hair like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna rock my hair like this. I have a little part here, you know, so I think this is cute. This is my second time trying to do a perm rod set, and the first time it was a complete fail. It looked horrible. It just wasn't even a style at all when I took them out. But this time around, my second time doing them, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So I'm gonna turn around and show you guys how my hair is looking. So yeah, this is my hair, you guys, and I already know I'm gonna get questions on how to preserve it, and I'm not exactly sure the best way to preserve like a curl set, but I'm going to try and figure out a way, and I'm going to show you guys. I promise you, if I find a way that I think makes my style last longer, I'm going to come on here and show you for sure. So stay tuned. But yeah, I love this perm rod set. And there are different ways you can put perm rods in your hair. So I'm definitely gonna try this again using like a different method of like a different way of curling, a different way of like putting them in my hair. But yeah, this way turned out super cute. I'm very content, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you did enjoy it. If you have a question, leave it down below. I'll be sure to reply. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you buy black, support black, build black, hire black, so that we can get economically strong for black people around the world. That is very important from now going forward, extremely important. I just want to put that out there. Support black so we can build the black economy and better build our black community. That's very important right now. So yeah, I post a lot of black businesses on my Instagram page, so be sure to follow me on there. I have also like stories of black businesses, you guys. There's so many black businesses to support with good, high quality items and services and good customer service. So yeah, be sure to do that. Support black, buy black, hire black. All right, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.